Hello everyone. Today we will see top bottom rules of conditional formatting in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here we can see date, student's name, marks in different subjects, total in these three subjects, and pass and fail. That is the result. The pass mark is 40, and if any students fail in one subject, they will be fail. So this is our data set. So to work with top bottom rules, from home menu, conditional formatting, here you can see top bottom rules. If you click this or hover your mouse pointer, you will see all the options of top bottom rules. We will cover them all today. Now, to apply any conditional formatting, select data range first. So this is the first step of working with conditional formatting. So I'm selecting this data range. Now I will apply top bottom rules. Top 10 items, here I can see the top 10 items is selected. If I decrease the number, it will down. If I increase the number will go up. Okay, let's select top 5, and here we can see light red fill. If I click this, you can see top 5 numbers are highlighted in red. Now if I we can apply uh, multiple conditional formatting on a single data set. So here I'm applying top, top uh, uh, let's see, bottom 10 items. Okay, here bottom 5 items. Okay, and that should be selected in yellow. You can see the bottom 5 items are selected. Okay, now I'm going some step back to get the fresh data again so that I can apply other data. Now after selecting the entire data set, we can select top 10%. Top 10% is means here we can see there are almost 20 row. Okay, so if you select 10%, then in this total 20 rows, 20% means only two row will be selected. Okay, so you can also select the percentage. You can select light fill, different colors. Okay, or you can go to custom format, and here you can use this data format, or you can select the font, italic, bold italic. You can change the color here. You can apply the border. You can change the color of the border. You can change the background color. For example, if I select orange, it will be in orange color. Okay, I'm going one step back. Now I have shown you bottom 10 items. So bottom 10% now, if I select bottom 10%, we can see because there are 20 or 21 rows here, the 10% means only two rows will be selected. If I increase the number, you will see, if I increase 20%, you will see 4 numbers. If I increase 25, you will see one more. Okay, and you can apply any format you want. I'm canceling this for now. This is selected till now. Now average. Okay, if I select average, you see in this entire data range, when you select any data range, okay, you will in by default you will get some statistical information. For example, average, count, sum. So if you see, the average is 223 point something. That is, in this entire data range, 223 point something is the average of this data set. So if you use above average, then all the data which is above this number will be selected, and we can select in any color and apply. Now going one step back, if we select below average, then all the numbers which is below this number will be selected. Here we can see all the number is below 223, and we can select any format. I'm canceling this for now. So all these features are covered. If I click on more rules, we will see different uh, rules here. I have covered, I've explained all these rules with their respective features in detail in my conditional formatting highlighted cell rules. I have made 2 videos in highlighted cells rules. So my recommendation is you can see this video. There are 2 videos. At this, every rule and features will be clear to you. I am not showing new rule or clear rules or manage rules here because all these things are covered in my highlighted cell rules videos. There are 2 videos. You can see them multiple times. You can practice them multiple times. Then every rules and feature will be clear to you. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.